Hello everyone. In this video, I want to discuss about functional programming. So what is functional programming? It is a programming paradigm that has these characteristics, okay? There are two characteristics. The first one is it shouldn't have any side effects. And the second is the input data that goes to a function is immutable. All right. What is side effects? Well, it is kind of easier to explain it in a certain story. So imagine a function, okay? So this is a function here, and then it takes an input. After it takes an input, of course, the function will compute the input in a certain milliseconds. In this story, it's X millisecond. And then it produces output after it computes the input. Now, if in the middle of the computation, it does an operation to a database, I mean, not does, I guess it make changes to a database, maybe write operation. Now, changes here, this changes here is the side function. Okay, side function. Now, how about immutable? As for immutable, it means that a variable that goes to a function shouldn't be changed. The value of the variable inside after it goes to a function shouldn't be changed. Here is an example. I mean, if there is a variable x which is a list that contains three strings which are A, B, C, and then we insert it into a function, and after that we print x. Now when we print x, it should be the same as before. As before, it goes to a function which is still ABC. So this scenario here is immutable. Now, why do we have to use functional programming? Now, if you ask about this question, well, when we talk about a programming paradigm, it is basically an alternative for a certain problem, an alternative solution to a certain problem. I mean, it might, you know, lower the chance to create bugs. It might improve maintainability, and it might decrease code production time. All of these are just not really a full, functional programming isn't a foolproof programming paradigm. There should be a case where object-oriented programming would be much better option for a certain problem. So I guess it depends on the problem. I think that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.